Greetings, traveler. I am the tale teller, keeper of chronicles from a world of shadow and flame. Here I will speak of heroes, horrors, and empires lost to time, from Kislev's frozen gates to Nehekara's desert tombs. Every corner holds a story. You will hear of Magnus the Pious, who united the empire during the Great War against chaos, or Gilles le Breton, first Royarch who drank from the Lady's Grail, and Cetra the Imperishable, commanding deathless legions from Khemri's throne. I shall recount the Battle of Blackfire Pass, where Sigmar shattered the Greenskin Horde, the cursed rise of Nagash, whose black pyramids poisoned Nehekara, Duke Taubert's fall at Paravon's siege. These are the blood and bone of history. You will witness Karl Franz holding the line at the Auric Bastion, Louan Leoncoeur defending Couronne against undead hordes, Alcadizar the Conqueror, who destroyed Nagash but doomed himself to wander the wastes, cursed and broken, clutching the blade that ended the Undying. From Norska's frozen wastes, where savage tribes pledged to the dark powers, to the World's Edge Mountains, where Dwarfen holds guard ancient grudges, the Border Prince's scheme or Athel Loren's woodfolk, in charge of guarding secrets older than civilization, all shall be revealed. I will tell you of Teclis, greatest wizard of Ulthuan, who founded the Empire's colleges of magic, Thorgrim Grudgebearer, a king seeking to strike every wrong from the Damas Krone, or Vlad von Karstein, whose wars nearly drowned Sylvania in blood. Learn of the Tomb Kings awakening in rage, bound by ancient pacts and their eternal pride, or the wild Norskans who raid the coasts. How the Empire's provinces torn between faith and reason, and the proud knights of Bretonia ever seeking the Lady's favor. Discover Kislev's icebound warriors holding the line against the northern darkness, the enigmatic lizard folk of Lustria, servants of the Old One's grand plan, the Skaven beneath our feet plotting in their burrows, and the Chaos Hordes, eternal enemies of all. Every week I will bring you deep dives into battles, biographies, and the conspiracies that shaped nations. Like the assassination of Emperor Boris Goldgather, the Vampire Wars, or the founding of Marienburg, no stone will be left unturned, no scroll unread. From the fall of Carrick 8 Peaks to the treachery at Drakwold, from Grom the Paunch's assault on Ulthuan to the Battle of La Maisontal Abbey, these tales demand to be told, and I am here to tell them. Whether you seek the exploits of Gottric Gurnison and Felix Jaeger, the machinations of the Grey Seers, or the tragic fate of Genevieve Dieudonné, you will find it here. Subscribe to the Tales of the Old World and click the notifications button. For the old world is vast and its tales are endless. Each video is a journey into legend. Sit back and let the chronicles unfold. For in this world of darkness, there are always stories worth telling, and I shall see you in the next tale.